ću i za vas da imate sigurno leđa.
Name drop, then put on mine.
Okay, let's start.
Okay.
Maybe.
Can you follow?
Evo nas, tu smo. Yes. Zašto je engleski ljud najbolji na Wembley? Znate koliko se šiša? 700 godina. 700 godina se engleski ljud šiša. Zamislite kako će biciklističke staze biti u Zagrebu za 700 godina.
If you make the bicycle the quickest way from A to B in Zagreb, as it used to be in Zagreb 50, 60 years ago, people will ride. And they will be safe if you have separated bicycle infrastructure for them. You shouldn't take away space from pedestrians, you should take it away from the cars if you want people to ride in great numbers like they are doing all over Europe. And the exhibition, my exhibition here today, it's called Monumental Motion. And that's simply because I think that the greatest monument that Denmark has ever erected is our bicycle culture, the bicycle infrastructure in Copenhagen and other cities. And it's a monument that other cities are building now, all over Europe. As the ambassador said, Paris, Barcelona, Dublin, no bicycles there 5 years ago. And now they are rising monuments, and a monument to the kind of cities we want to live in the future, livable cities. It's a bit old-fashioned to start planning or keep planning for cars. This is an old-fashioned mentality. For 75 years, urban planners have tried to make space for cars. They have failed. And now it is time to move on and look at how we can create more livable cities. And the bicycle is the most fantastic tool in our urban toolbox to achieve this.